sit beneath a mango tree, drawing pictures of who she'd like to be. A notebook full of castles in the sky, and a heart that never learned to say goodbye. People laughed and said dreams don't come true, but she held on tighter to the things she knew. Every sunset painted hope in her eyes. Every sunrise whispered, you can rise. She was a little girl with big dreams, building a future from impossible things. Step by step through the highs and lows, like a river finding where it flows. She was a little girl with big dreams, stronger than she ever seen. When the world said no, she believed and became everything she dreamed. The years rolled by like a passing train. There were moments of sunshine, moments of rain. She worked in silence when nobody saw, learning life's lessons flaw by flaw. The road was long, the climb was steep. There were promises she had to keep, but every challenge became a friend, helping her grow again and again. She was a little girl with big dreams, building a future from impossible things. Step by step through the highs and lows, like a river finding where it flows. She was a little girl with big dreams, stronger than she ever seemed. When the world said no, she believed and became everything she dreamed. Now she stands where she once imagined, looking back at the road she traveled. The little girl is still inside, smiling with her head held high. She was a little girl with big dreams, and she turned them into reality. Not by luck, not by chance, but by courage, faith, and persistence. So if you're dreaming, don't let go. Some of the greatest stories start small. You know, the stars may seem far above, but dreams can grow on the wings